Hello, it's me.
So that's my recent reel. A lot of you requesting me to show this hairstyle in a slow-mo. So let me break down how I do this messy bun in 5 seconds. Slow motion, step by step, just for all of you. Step 1, gather your all hair into a low ponytail. Pull that hair elastic over your wrist and over the ponytail, just enough to create a baby bubble. Step 2, place your hands inside the elastic as you swoop your hand under the ponytail and around. Step 3, stretch your elastic and collect your ponytail under the elastic again. Step 4, twist down while you place the elastic over that mini bubble. Fifth and last step, push the mini bubble and rest of the bun from all sides through the opening of that elastic to make it more fluffy as you desire. And here's the final look. Just in a few seconds, cool fluffy bun is ready.
It's me.
Well, I hope you liked it. Now let's move to the 2-minute another hairstyle bun, which is so easy, so quick, and best for every occasion. So let's decode this next bun. So this second hairstyle, which is 2-minute bun, is again a very easy one. So for that, you have to gather all your hair first, finger comb your hair, tie a low ponytail, nice and tight, and make a half bun like this and leave it like this. Now here I'm going to share a pro tip. You need to pinch your hair a little bit. With one hand you are going to hold your bun, and other hand with the 2 fingertips you are going to pinch your hair. It will give nice fluffy texture to your hair. Okay, now when it is done, now put your thumb from both ends and divide your bun into equal 2 parts like this. Now from any of one section, you are going to insert your 2 fingers inside, something like this. So keep these 2 fingers ready, and after that collect all those down ends hair, roll it nicely and holding with those 2 fingers and pull it through from this section like this. And now these hair ends, roll it, and then just one side lift your bun and secure the end inside the rubber band. You can use bobby pins, but I secure it like this and it stays for whole day. And now you'll be getting 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3. Now take your time and pinch and spread these sections as you desire, so that it is nice, neat, visible and fluffy. Isn't it so easy? Now just take one bun stick, any fancy or any small clutch also. Take the both ends and secure it with your head so that the bun stays steady whole day. My bun stays for whole day if I just once get it set. Fluff it out if it is required, and your bun is ready to flaunt for any occasion, big or small. Yes, this is that easy, and I hope you like both of these hairstyles. I'm going to try these under 1 minute hairstyles, which are so quick to make and they look absolutely gorgeous. Do subscribe my channel, like, share with your friends who love to explore and make different hairstyles, and do give me good ideas about what next you would like to see. Just to update you that I'm getting a lot of requests how to get rid of frizzy hair, how to maintain good hair. So regards to that, very soon I'm coming up with my own hair care routine and detailed hair care video. Till we meet again, don't miss out to take care of your sleep, diet and exercise. Keep trying new hairstyles. Stay stylish, sustainable way. Thank you for watching.